This year is the 39th anniversary of the Marion Thompson Wright lecture series here at Rutgers, MTW. We have a really unique theme. It's the erotic as power, and it explores the history of African-American sexuality here in the United States. The issue of Black sexuality is one of the most taboo subjects, both in African-American studies and in the larger American culture. And one of the reasons we chose this topic, because of its timeliness, a lot of people are increasingly becoming more interested in and organizing around issues of sexuality and racial justice. And we have a phenomenal lineup of speakers. All of the people who will be coming to the conference, headlined by Professor E. Patrick Johnson, live at the intersections of race and sexuality studies, as well as do work in academia, but also live inside the world of art and theater or filmmaking or poetry. So it's a really exciting time to explore what a lot of us understand as kind of like Black queer identity, but looking at it through a variety of geographical regions as well as generational differences.